Hello students, welcome to online classes from KV Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 6 subject science chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is sources of food. But inside chapter 1 sources of food, I am going to describe food eaten by animals, then sources of food, after that food items obtained from plants. So first of all, food eaten by animals. So inside the topic food eaten by animals, all living things need food to remain alive. To stay alive, all living things need food. Do you know how living things get food? Students, do you know how living things get their food? Most plants can prepare their own food. Most of the plants, majority of the plants prepare their own food. Animals including human beings, that means human beings is animal but not cattle. Why human beings is called animal? Human beings, that means human beings, that scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens, and it belong from Animalia kingdom. Human beings belongs from Animalia kingdom. That's why human beings include in the category of animal. So, animals including human beings, on the other hand, cannot. As plants prepare their own food, but animals including human beings cannot do so. After that, they either eat plant or other animal. Human beings either eat plant or other animals. Have you seen animals like cow, cat, dog, crow, squirrel, goat, lizard, and lion eating food? They all eat different kind of food. All the animals which I am telling you eat different types of food. So, in the topic food eaten by animals, we are going to categorize the animals. Based on the food eaten, animals can be classified into their three categories. What are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores? Herbivores are also called herbivorous animal. Herbivores are also called herbivorous animal. Means eat only plant or plant product. Animals who eat only plant or plant products such as cow, buffalo, horse, deer, goat, and elephant. These are all herbivores. And then carnivores are carnivorous animal. So these carnivores or carnivorous animal eat other animal just like lion, tiger, and a dog and a jackal. These are all carnivorous animal. Omnivores or omnivorous animal eat both plant and plant products. So these are falls in the category of omnivorous animal. So after that, sources of food. So inside the topic sources of food, food is obtained by living things from both plant and animals. Food is obtained by living things from both plants and animals. So plant as a source of food. Plants as a source of food. You know, the green plants can prepare their own food. You know, I know, and everybody know that plants prepare their own food. For this reason, They are known as producers. Plants prepare their own food. That's why plants are also called producers. They prepare more food than what they need themselves. Plants need themselves. They prepare more food than their requirements. So, this extra food is stored in different parts of the plant body. So, extra food prepared by the plant are stored in the plant's body in different parts. So, something more about this topic. Different plant parts. What I am telling? Different plant parts from which food is obtained or the root. Food is obtained from the parts of the plant that are root, stem, leaves, flower, seed and fruits. So do you know which part of the plant are you eating? When you eat potato, cabbage, onion, radish, carrot, mango, these are all the name of the edible part of the plants. So which part you eat when you eat potato? Which part you eat when you eat cabbage, onion, radish, carrot and mango? The plant part which are eaten. The part of the plant which are being eaten are called edible part of the plants. For example, the edible part in a mango is the fruit. In onion and potato, it is the stem. That means the stem of onion can be eaten. And radish and carrot, it is the root. And the leaf is the edible part in cabbage. So, next will be food items obtained from plants. So, food items obtained from plants are cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, sugar, oil and spices. So, these I have explained. If any doubt in your mind regarding these topics, then contact on my WhatsApp number and I will confirm you this much enough. Thanks.